Okay folks, so today we are going to be fitting this driver set into the Ecto. Just having a go at it, and let's see what it turns out like. This is from AliExpress. This is in Australian dollars, obviously. There's your shipping fee. It's from the VRX store in AliExpress. You can find it. So let's see how we go. Alright, excuse me guys, because I'm holding my phone while I record this. This is what I've done so far. I've actually saved some time and cut it out to the interior dimensions of the Ecto. I'm going to fit it and we'll see what it looks like. Just on the test fit, it looked quite good. I'm not going to use any fixing screws because I think it's snug in there, and I'll put a little bit of shoe glue, and it's not going to come out again in the future, and I think that'll do the job. So let's see what it looks like. This is going to be a really quick, fast video, more so because you can do it very easily. The tools that I've used are this little doozy here, which is just a grinder set. You can get these off AliExpress, I think for about maybe 20 bucks Australian. They're very handy. You can cut away the plastic bits, excess bits that you don't need, neatly, so you get a nice clean result. So I'd highly recommend getting one of those. The other tool that I did use, because I raised the front, as you can see there, to match the contour of the windscreen. So to do that, to do it properly, I've got my heat gun down there. So yeah, that's basically the tools that I've used today, apart from my hands and a bit of shoe glue. So okay, so I've glued it in with some shoe glue, which I'm sure everyone is aware of. The good thing about the shoe glue is that it just peels off. It's strong enough to hold it in there, but it's also not going to be something difficult to take out at a later date if I ever needed to remove that. I don't think I'm going to need to. Even if I broke a mirror on the side, I think I could still avoid pulling that out. So I'm going to wait for that to dry, pop it back on the chassis, and we'll take a look at it. Okay guys, so everything is back together. It looks pretty awesome to me. Just looks great, really does. Even, you probably can't see it well enough, but the way that the dash is raised to match the inside there with the use of the heat gun, I'm so happy with this. It looks so cool. The light bar there, I should have done a video on that, but they are also just individual spotties that you can get from AliExpress that have got individual clamps, and I haven't wired them in yet because I'm intending to put another 2 at the front here, and if I can get some traditional gosh, I had the terminology on my mind a second ago and I've totally lost it, but marker lights, that's what I was thinking of. So I want to put, like a marker light there. Look, for me, like, I know for the hardcore crawlers and that, they're like probably thinking, well, it's just going to come off, but I don't intend to thrash this thing. With any of my RCs, I just look at them as an investment, something for me to enjoy, but at the same time I look after them, and hopefully we'll get a lot of use out of them for many years to come. The only thing and again, I don't want to kind of unnecessarily spend money on it. I'm tempted to change out the rims and the tires, but I'll just see how time goes. For now, I'm quite happy with, I just think it looks so cool. It's got its own unique vibe about it. I hope this gives you some ideas as to, sorry about my unsteady hands there because I'm just crouching. I hope it gives you some ideas in terms of what you can do with your Ecto, if you're into the whole, making it a bit unique to your own. Just a close up again on that interior. It just looks awesome. It really does. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I've cut out the template. I've just got to convert it to PDF. I'll make it available for download off my OneDrive. That'll save you making a mistake. The only thing I would highly recommend that you be very careful of is when you're trying to match the contour of the front here, go very slow with the heat gun, because this plastic of the interior is very, very soft and it will just crumble up if you're not careful. I did it very, very slowly over a few goes, and I got it right. And there's a little piece in the middle that you'll see. Save some of the plastic cut-offs and you can make yourself like a little patch panel. I don't know, I'm trying to get a view of the inside. You can't really see it, but right in the center there, you can't even hardly see it. There's a tiny bit of patch panel there, and it just looks like it's part of the dash anyway, the way I've done it. But that's it, guys. It's a short video. I didn't bother to show you all the cutting and stuff like that because the template really does it for you. As long as you follow the template and then do some light trimming on the edges, it will work out exactly as I've done it. I think from memory on the laptop it said $16 Australian for that, which I think is a pretty good deal. And then obviously you got your shopping, your shipping fee as well. But that's it. If you have any ideas what I can do with the next update on it, I don't want to go overkill on it, but I'm definitely going to put the spotties at the front, wire in the spotties up there, hopefully get a marker light there. On the rear end I intend to put some proper tail lights over there, just to finish it off. But I think that'll be it for this one. And yeah, it's just so cool. I'm really, really happy with it. And I hope this gives you some ideas as to what you can do with yours. Bye for now.